Hey, I just had a video comment asking me to show YouTube how to install RAM or replace RAM in the HP Pavilion DV6809WM. So here I am. First thing you're going to want to do is turn it off and unplug it, because you don't want to short anything out. Then it would be most helpful if you would take the battery out. Do that by pushing this over, pushing it pretty hard, and then it springs out. Lay that aside. Now, if you look at it here, the Wi-Fi toggle is on the top left, the battery is on the bottom right, along with the CD/DVD drive. So we're looking at it this way. There are two trap doors here. This one is where the hard drive is located. This one is where the memory is located. There are two DIMMs. A DIMM is pretty much a storage bay where memory can go. Take a screwdriver, and there are two screws here just above where the battery goes, and unscrew these screws. Then this will lift right up. Put that aside. In here, this is your RAM. Over here, I believe this is the wireless card and the battery that keeps the system slightly powered when, like right now, when there's no battery and you're not plugged into AC power. You could also put another wireless card in here if you wanted to. I might actually buy an N card because I have an N router, but that's beside the point. So, if you can see here, there are two things that you pull out that hold the memory in. Pull each one away from the memory, or the RAM, and it will pop up. Like that. Then grab a hold of it and pull it out. Be very careful not to touch those pins. Those are gold pins. You really don't want to fingerprint them. You can set that down, and if need be, do the same thing with the one below. Pull it out, and here it is. I have two 2 GB sticks in here, and there it is. Now there's no RAM installed. Now to put it in, take it, and notice there's a notch right there, if you can see that. Take that notch, and then there's also a notch there, right here. Make those so they line up. Push it in fairly hard, and then be careful, don't break it though, but push it down then, and it'll snap into place. Do the exact same thing with the other one, and I suggest you fill both of them up with the same amount. That's just how I've always found things to work best. When that is done, go ahead and pop the cover back on and screw in the screws. I'm just going to show you right now, because I've got plenty of time left, how to check how much RAM you have if you don't want to take it apart and read on the label. If you open the unit up, hit the power button. Oh, it would probably help if you put the battery back in. Sorry about that. Usually things work better when they're powered. It's been a long day. Open it up, and hit the power button. And then hit F10 on the keyboard. Hit it a couple times until it says please wait in the bottom left. Now I've got a password. Let me type that in. You may not have one. When you type that in, this brings you to something called the BIOS. BIOS, B-I-O-S, Basic Input Output System. There's a couple different tabs here: main, security. Everyone's different though. System configuration, diagnostics, and exit. If you look at total memory, or memory, whatever yours says, mine is 4096 meg. That's 4 gig. So plenty of things to use the arrow keys on the keyboard to look around in here. So thanks for watching, and I hope that could hopefully teach you how to change RAM in the HP Pavilion DV6809WM.